In this video, I will show you how to download and install IObit Undelete recovery software for Windows 11. If you want to download and install IObit recovery software without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, search IObit Undelete download. When you search this, then press enter. Here you can find free undelete software for file recovery. Click this option. When you click this option, here you can find free download option. Click this free download option. After clicking this, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, click save. You can see our file has downloaded. When you press Ctrl plus J in your keyboard, you can see your file. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going to Windows Explorer, where I can see my file, IObit Undelete. For installing, right click on it, then click open. Remember, we are installing this software. Then you have to click yes. And you can see we have successfully downloaded IObit Undelete in Windows 11. Now you can use it.